Hi guys, good morning. So right now it's 1:38 a.m. and then after taking a shower I realized that I might as well film my skincare routine for my evening. And I just want you guys to let you know that I had a recent commitment to myself to film at least one video a day to be uploaded in my social media platforms. Nothing really much on cloud, but more on my journey into content creation, because there are times that I get to do it professionally, and there are events that I get to attend, and then there's a lot of content that I may be able to upload, but then it really takes consistency to gain much following and to gain viewers. So even if it's not really glamorous content, I decided to upload one. So tonight I decided to do the my night skincare routine. And to be honest, complete transparency, I haven't had any skincare routine for the past 3 or 4 months. It's because I was so stressed out when I was doing my thesis in University of the Philippines, Diliman, because we do individual theses, and it's really stressful, to be honest. And in line with that, I'm also a social entrepreneur, and I'm also a mother. So there's a lot of on my plate that I forget about myself. And uh, I was also suffering mentally and emotionally. I was diagnosed again with my depression and my anxiety. I was under medication for such a time. So I was struggling on a day-to-day basis, so I wasn't able to take care of myself. So it's very obvious, to be honest. So this is me without filter. This is very obvious. I have lots of um, pimple marks. There's are my pimple scars, and then I have fine lines and dark under eye. And then I feel like uneven yung skin tone ko right now, but I plan to fix that. I plan to have much needed discipline for myself, proper rest, proper um, multivitamins, proper skincare. But we got to start somewhere. So right now I cannot nail down the proper rest because I have a meeting with someone for Abra Indigo Manila, because my business partner is in Spain. So before our meeting, I'm filming this video to do my skincare routine. So yeah. So first, of course, for my night skincare routine, if it's the normal days with when I am outside, when I came from outside, I do all oil-based makeup remover. But right now I already took a shower and I did not do any makeup. I'm so sleepy. Anyway, my second is having water-based cleanser. So my cleanser is to Dr. Leo. I found it actually on one of the social media platform because I kind of enjoy just scrolling online recommendation. So mauubos ko na siya, paubos ko na siya. I kind of like it naman. It does its job as a cleanser, but I'm not really sure what it particularly did to me because I wasn't consistent. So it's my fault. My second one, of course, is for exfoliation. I have blackhead clearing. This is my it's a tea tree and bamboo scrub. So ito yung may mga for microdermabrasion. It has granules, and it says that the granules helps with the scars. I'm not sure if it did help with my scars, but it does help with my blackheads and whiteheads. So I guess it does its job. So next one would be toner. Paubos na siya, as you can see. I've been using it a lot. Morning and evening routine, I use toner. I just got it in supermarket, but it's kind of nice, but it's very cool on the face. So it's Aloe Eyes Toner by Anis Glow. It's actually budget friendly, and it does its job. Second is after the toner, you'll have acid treatment. It's actually my first time. I just unboxed this. My acid based treatment is um, this. It's the ordinary. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna try this for the first time. So wish me luck. And then next would be after acid treatment, it says that you can use serums or essence. And then the essence serum that I have, vitamin C serum, is this Sky. It's brightening serum, vitamin C. I also just found it in the grocery store. So I just get stuff from grocery store out of convenience. The one thing that I really looked into is their components. So it says that it's vitamin C and it's naturally derived. So yeah. And then it says that the next one to serum is spot treatment, which I don't have. I don't have any particular dark spots that I need to clean anyway. So next should have been hydrating serum or mask, facial mask. I think I'll do that along with the eye cream. The facial mask that I'm going to use is the eye depuff cream, eye depuff mask. So it's vitamin C and nicotinamide hydraulic eye mask. So it's really good. It's really refreshing, and it does help with my eye puffiness. So I am looking into another type of eye mask which has coffee base, because it says that it really does help with the darkness of your under eye. But I don't really have much darkness right now, but I have an eye bag, so I want to moisturize my under eye. Next is face oil, which I don't have. I might consider getting sunflower oil, but I don't have it right now. So let's just get what we have. And then next would have been the moisturizer. The last one is the moisturizer. This is the moisturizer. Just like the retinol that I got, the acid treatment, my moisturizer, the ordinary, I just bought it and I am so excited to try them. So that's it for my skincare routine. I'll probably do a different video doing the treatment. So right now it's just skincare reveal. So I also have this gouache. I used it a lot to massage my face, as I see online and stuff like that. It helps with circulation down and stuff. You do that kind of. To be honest, this one is really helpful for whenever I have stuffiness and caused by allergies. Whenever I massage here, I can feel the how it relaxes. It relieves me from pain. So yeah, that's how it was for me. So I'm going to share the process next time, but right now it's just the product. So thank you for listening.